Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing a web camera. This happens to be the Zebronics zeb-ultimate Plus. And on the front of the packaging, you can see what the product looks like, as well as a couple of features that they'd like to highlight. This happens to be a Full HD camera, which means the resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then it uses a USB interface. It's got a built-in microphone. And it also has a night vision feature so that you can, or rather the web camera can see clearly in the dark. The cable length happens to be about 1.5 meters long, and it's got an auto white balance feature. So your colors won't look overly warm or overly cool. On either side, you have the name of the product. On the backhand side, you have a larger photo. And on the top of the packaging, you have the manufacturer's contact information as well as pricing. So let's go ahead the unboxing. You just have the web camera and nothing else. So we'll keep the box over here and come to the webcam. So you can see that there's a little ball joint at the base of the webcam. This allows you to rotate the camera 360 degrees and also make pivot and swivel adjustments, which is always a good thing. And the base itself opens up. This allows you to either keep it on a flat surface or use it like a clip and mount the camera on top of your monitor or any other flat object. The base is also cushioned, so this gives you a little bit of grip and doesn't provide any noise. On the back of the camera, you have two sets of perforated features. So that would be the speaker, if at all there's one built in. And on the front hand side, you have the lens as well as a couple of sensors on either side. This would be for the focus. And then there's a little inlet for the microphone. And because this thing has speakers built in, you've got volume control on the cable itself. Speaking of which, the cable is quite long. We've already seen the packaging mentioned that's about 1.5 meters long, as you can see. And it's got a rigid rubber coating. So that's it for the unboxing of ZEB Ultimate Plus web camera from Zebronics. Thank you for watching.